Welcome back to Explore Error. How to fix all of your RAM not being usable in Windows 11. As you can see here under my device information, this is my installed RAM, but only part of it is currently usable. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this so you can use 100% of your RAM. First, open up your Start menu. Then type in msconfig and click on System Configuration. Now go to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Here you'll see an option called Maximum Memory. Make sure this is unchecked like you see here, then click OK, press Apply, and click OK again. After doing this, you'll need to restart your computer to save the changes. Once your PC restarts, check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, there's one more method you can try. Open your Start menu again and type in Registry Editor, then open it. From the left side, click on H-key Local Machine. Then click the drop-down next to System and expand Current Control Set. After that, expand Control. Now scroll down and expand Session Manager. Then scroll down again and click on the Memory Management folder. Now, double-click on Clear Page File at Shutdown and change the value data to 1. After that, restart your computer again. Once your computer turns back on, you should now be able to use 100% of your RAM.